Jessica, how are you? Why you are so tired?
Ma, I'm so tired. Can you make a couch for me?
Couch? No. Sorry, I'm very tired.
Ma, please. Mommy, I'm so tired. Please.
Okay, I'll teach you how to make the couch and sofa also.
Okay.
Okay, for that, we need an easy way I'm going to teach you. See, one straight line, sleeping line you need to draw like this. Then small sleeping line this, okay? Exactly small like you easily can see how easily we can make a sofa.
Wow. Mom, you're so creative.
It's so easy, baby, for you and like your friends. I'm making so easy way I'm making, okay? Just see properly.
Orange, yellow, peach, pink, and teal.
Okay, I'll make. You like those colors?
Yes, I like orange, yellow, pink, and teal.
How much I can do, I'll doing, okay? And all are your preference, your friend's preference. Whatever you like, that color you can choose and make a beautiful sofa like this.
Okay.
Okay, your sofa is done. How it is?
Mom, it's so beautiful. You're so creative and it looks so easy.
Yes, it's easy. Next time you try by yourself, okay?
Okay.
And share with your friends also.
Okay. Thanks, Mom. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.